In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an online poll to your Wix website. Adding polls can be a fantastic way to engage with your audience and gather valuable feedback or data from site visitors, whether you're trying to understand customer preferences or simply wanting to boost interaction. Polls can be an invaluable feature to include on your site. Let's get started. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your website activities. From here, we want to direct our attention to the left-hand sidebar where you'll see the Apps option. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the area where you can manage all the applications installed on your site. What we need to do next is access the app market, so look for the app market option and click on that. The app market is a treasure trove of features you can add to customize and enhance your website. Now, in the search bar at the top of the page, type in poll and hit enter. This will bring up a list of poll-related applications you can incorporate into your site. These apps are designed to help you understand your audience better and drive engagement. Look for an option or description that says, "Understand your audience and drive engagement," and give it a click. Once you've found the application that fits your needs, you'll want to add it to your site. Look for the Add to Site button, which should be prominently displayed. Click on it to begin the installation process. Sometimes this might require a second click on another Add to Site button just to confirm your selection, so keep an eye out for that. After adding the app, you'll need to agree to the terms and services. A prompt labeled Agree and Add will appear, and clicking this confirms your agreement to proceed with the installation. This step is essential for integrating the app into your site effectively. With the app now added, navigate to where it asks you to choose a template. Select the template that best matches your style or preference, as this will serve as the visual foundation for your poll. The template choice allows you to maintain your site's aesthetic and ensure a seamless user experience. Finally, it's time to customize your poll. Here's where you can get creative. Start by adding the main question you want your audience to answer. You'll also provide multiple answer choices so visitors can select their preferred option. Tailor these to suit your specific goals, whether they be customer insights or general interest surveys. Once you've set it all up, remember to save your changes and preview the poll on your site to ensure everything looks just right. Congratulations, you're all set to start engaging with your audience through polls on your Wix website.